Hello and welcome to my kitchen by Nana. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make deep fried Irish, and very nice crunchy deep fried Irish, and I know you like it. Please keep around until the end of the video, and if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. I'm going to give this Irish a very nice wash. Actually, I bought them from the market like this. they look quite dirty. And after washing, I'm going to peel them. Some people like them with the peelings. It's nutritious, but me, I prefer to peel them. My son actually loves this Irish so much. I'm actually introducing boiled Irish to my 7-month-old baby. Irish takes a very short time to cook, so you can have them for breakfast, for lunch, or dinner. Anytime you feel like it's perfect for rice. I'm washing them because I want them clean, and of course to reduce the starch. You know, if you peel Irish and you leave them in a bowl that has water, you will notice a powdered like substance at the bottom of the bowl. That is starch. Irish has a lot of starch. And then I'm going to season them with salt for taste. Salt gives them a very nice taste. And then I'll put turmeric because it's going to change the color. It's actually optional. Turmeric is optional, but me, I like it, so I'm going to put it in. Rosemary. I'm going to put 1 red onion. I'm going to put garlic, ginger, and of course I'll put fresh rosemary from my garden. I've just harvested it. It looks very fresh and nice. That's what I'm going to put in. Those are the only seasonings I'm going to be using. As you can see, it's looking very fresh and nice. I'm going to boil the Irish for a few minutes. You don't want to leave your Irish to overboil, because if it overboils, it becomes soggy, and when it becomes soggy, it won't look good really, and it will be like porridge, I can say. And then I'll drain the water from the Irish, and I'm going to use it to boil my beef. Today I'm actually having beef, rice, and Irish, but you can use this water for your soup, anything that you want to use it for. Trying to get my deep fryer ready so that I can fry the Irish. You can see how yellow they look from the turmeric. And then when I fry them, I want them to be very crispy, so I'm going to fry them for some good minutes. I want them to slightly change the color so that they be very crispy, and inside they'll be soft, but they'll be crispy on top, and it will come out very, very nice and very tasty. You would really want to taste this Irish, and please try them at home. They're very tasty, they're very nice, and they're very good actually, and very easy to be made. If you don't want to peel, it's also very good. You can just have them the way you want to have them. And as you see, they're boiling. I'm taking my time. They are looking very crispy and very, very nice. My son is actually salivating right now. Thank you for watching my video.